I'm David Birch. I am a Tai Chi and Qigong teacher. I teach simple techniques that combat stress and help the body heal. Today, we're going to be doing shaking the tree and flicking water. These movements look like you're shaking a tree. Your trunk is the trunk of the tree. Your arms are the branches. Fingers are the leaves. And we softly sink, soften the knees, and sink. And we get this up and down momentum going, like we're jumping, but our feet aren't leaving the ground. And we loosen. That's the most important thing, is to loosen. So the whole body relaxes, especially the shoulders, the arms. They kind of go along for the ride. In this up and down motion, the bouncing shakes the tree. And we can go side to side at a low level. And you just relax and enjoy it, just like you're doing dancing really badly. So you're relaxed, dancing to the beat of your own drum. And a little bit higher. You get whole body movement, relax, a little bit higher. And we can get about to chest level, and we can transform the movement whenever we want to, licking water. So our hands come up, and then we go down. Sigh of relief, like we're flicking water off of our hands. Like we're throwing stress, any accumulated stress, into the ground. So we're shaking the tree. Take a deep breath in, arms up, sink, flick. Shaking the tree, flicking water. We're going to build a Qigong routine using what we've done so far this week. Lifting the sky, breathing up, exhaling down, in, up, out, down. Lifting sun and moon to pushing mountains, breathing out, breathing back in as we open up the chest. Breathing out as we go out, breathing in as we come back in. Pushing mountains. Swimming dragon. Hands come up. Breathe in, breathe out as the hips move back. Head going down in the water in between the arms. And then we come back up for air. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Swimming dragon. Shaking the tree. Flicking water. So let's get ready. Feet fairly close together. Breathe in, float. Breathe out, sink. Sink all of your weight to the right. Soften the knee, bend the knee. Step out with the left. 50-50. Like we're sitting in a tall chair. Bottom heavy, top light. Float the head. Breathe in. Sigh of relief. All the stress sinks into the ground. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Sink down. Smile from the heart. Lifting the sky. Inhale up. Exhale down. Your movements can be very different from mine. But please make sure you're inhaling up and exhaling down. Your mind is relaxed and focused, enjoying this moment, enjoying this movement. As we inhale up, exhale down, enjoying your breathing. Go a little bit faster, looser. Forget about the movement. Let your body sway a little bit. As it relaxes. The movement becomes less distinct, more flowing. Let's flow right into the next movement. Our arms float down, hands float up, palms to the sky along the side, lifting sun and moon. Palms to the front, push out, breathe out. Lift the fingertips up a little bit. Pull the palms back alongside the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale back. Exhale out. In, out. Body loose. Body also sways to the front and up to the back. Naturally. Looser. More relaxed. Swaying more. And then let's go straight into swimming dragon. Instead of pushing out, your head goes down in between your arms, your palm to the floor, and then you straighten up, bend back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as you come up out of the water. Breathe out as your head goes into the water. Swimming dragon. Relaxing. Relaxing. Swimming and flowing. Repetitions getting stronger, looser, more efficient. Swimming like a dragon. Now just let loose. Arms float down. Bend the knees. Move up and down, shaking the tree. Lift up, breathe in, sink, flick. Breathe in out. Shaking the tree, breathing in, breathing out, flicking the stress to the ground. Breathing when you need to as you're shaking the tree. Take a deep breath in, sink, let it all out. You just soften the knees. Just don't do anything intentionally. The more you relax, your body may sway and drift. That's what we want. Build up some energy, let it flow, let it go. Then we come back to center. Neutral position. Eyes closed. We enjoy the stillness. Let any thoughts that float up float on by. Remain tranquil in this Zen state. Then rub your hands together, your eyes still closed. Warm up the palms over the eyes, heat absorbed into the eyes, dry wash the face. Maybe the neck and shoulders. Flicking fingers. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Thank you for joining.